In this video, I'll show you how to work with images in Google Docs. Working with images in Google Docs is pretty simple once you know the main tools. You can insert an image, move it around, choose how text wraps around it, resize it, crop it, replace it, and even add borders or basic adjustments. Google says most of these image controls appear when you click the image inside your document. First, to add an image, open your Google Doc and place your cursor where you want the image to go. Then use Insert and add your image from your computer, drive, photos, a URL, or another available source. After the image appears, click it once, and you'll see editing and layout options below or around it. Google says this is where you can start changing how the image behaves in the document. Now let's talk about moving the image. When you click the image, Google Docs lets you choose a layout style like inline, wrap text, break text, or behind text. If you want the image to behave like a normal character in a sentence, choose inline. If you want more freedom to place it beside paragraphs, wrap text is usually the easiest option. Break text pushes text above and below the image, and behind text places the image behind the words. If the image is too large or too small, click it and drag the blue handles to resize it. For cropping, click the image and choose Crop, then drag the black crop handles to trim the edges. Google also says you can right-click an edited image and choose Reset Image if you want to go back to the original version later. You can also improve how the image looks. Google says Docs allows you to add a border, and on desktop, open format options to adjust things like recolor and other image settings. If you want to swap the image without rebuilding the layout, right-click it and choose Replace Image, then pick the new source. That is helpful when you want to update a photo but keep the same position in the document. On mobile, you can still work with images too, but some options are more limited. Google says in the Docs app you can resize or rotate an image when print layout is turned on. And on Android, you can also add borders or reset the image from the formatting controls. So the full process is simple. Insert the image, click it, choose the layout style you want, move or resize it, crop it if needed, and use formatting tools to make it fit your document better. Once you know those basics, working with images in Google Docs becomes much easier. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.